everyone, Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you've had a wonderful time over the holidays, however you choose to celebrate it, and Happy New Year to you all. So I'm back to work today and I'm here sharing a beautiful new kit with you, and this is called the Vintage Seamstress. Now this is a really beautiful kit. There's 23 pages and there's only one kit. Okay, there's no add-on kit for this. The reason being, there's two reasons. The first reason is to be more budget friendly. I've made a slightly larger kit with no need for an add-on. I didn't feel it was necessary. And the second reason why I didn't feel it was necessary is because I've designed this specifically to coordinate with my Victorian ladies journal kit. You will find that over in my shop. It's another full kit with lots of pages, and it does coordinate. So if you've already purchased that, this will go with it. And if you purchase this and decide you want extra pages, go and have a look at the Victorian Ladies Journal Kit, because as I say, it does go with it. And I am going to be more mindful throughout 2023 and make some kits that coordinate with existing kits, to just give customers more versatility, and also, you know, if you've already purchased one, it's more budget friendly. So another important thing that I am doing moving forward, it's not available on kits that are already up, but moving forward as I create kits, I'm going to be doing them in two sizes. So when you download the files, you will see A4 size files and US size files, which print out at 8.5 by 11. That's so that my customers who print out on that size of paper don't have to resize them themselves, or if they don't know how to resize, don't end up with digitals that run off the page or don't print out fully. So when you make the purchase, you'll get several downloads. Look at the list carefully, okay, because there's A4 size and US size. These also come in JPEG files and PDF files. The PDF files are the ones that most people use if they download via their mobile phone or tablet, for example. So have a look at the list carefully, because it might be a long list. You don't need to download all of them. You need to download one that says Journal Kit and one that says Embellishments, okay? And in the format that is useful to you. The rest of them you can ignore, all right? I'm just trying to make sure there's lots of versatility for everybody, all right? Also, I do print on 120 GSM paper, okay? Now, if you want to know what that weight of paper is in your country, just go on Google and there's lots and lots of conversion. So I've printed on 120 GSM for my journal pages, and my embellishments and journal cards I do print on 200 GSM cardstock, but you can print on what you like. It's totally up to you. There's no right or wrong. Okay, I have used the standard setting, so the colours are lovely. You don't need to use the high setting and use more ink. It's not necessary with this kit. It's beautiful. So here's the first page. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful collage sheet. Perfect. For journal makers, perfect for anybody. Don't forget, these kits are to be treated as if they are scrapbooking paper. These are not just for journals, all right? I do a variety of crafting. I don't only make journals. I make cards, I make boxes. I'm teaching myself to make albums and folios. So there's going to be lots of content on my channel in 2023 showing you lots of ways to use digital kits, not just for journals. Okay, but they do make beautiful journals, I will say. So that's that one. Let's get cracking. Okay, there's another beautiful design paper. Another one here, and this background here is exclusive to me because I've made it myself, and it's a beautiful lace pattern. I've used it previously in other things. It's absolutely stunning. You can even see the individual weave of the lace there. It's so pretty. Okay, let's move on a bit quicker. So some of them here, I've been learning new techniques. As I learn a new technique, I typically use it in the upcoming kit. So once I've learned everything, we'll get the perfect kit. But I wanted to, you know, blur some out here to show that you can still write on heavily patterned paper. You could add your own touches or stamping or whatever. There's another beautiful background one. There's another one with space for writing. Another one. This one, absolutely love this one. And you'll see another technique I've learned, some of this like whitewashing. So I've made it look like it's been gessoed over to tone the colours down, so that you don't have to get your gesso out and get messy. Another one here with that beautiful lace, absolutely love that. I very much imagine I shall use that again. Okay, and then I've been practicing making some patterned papers, like traditional scrapbooking paper, and this one is using some spools and butterflies. I think it's absolutely lovely. So again, you can use these in your journals to make your tags or your pockets or your tucks or your flips, but you can make card backgrounds, boxes, use them in your mini albums and your folios. It's just beautiful. And here's another one with a vintage sewing machine and my lovely lacy background. And then this one is embroidery. I think they're fab. Really like those. And then we're on to the what I call embellishments. Now the embellishment kits are everything from guest checks, tags, journal cards to actually fussy cut embellishments. So if you see the word embellishments, that's what I mean. So here we've got some lovely guest checks. I've made them look like the coffee dyed, so you don't even have to do that. All you've got to do is cut them out and use them. Beautiful. The envelopes I have done this time in the larger size. I just think it's more versatile for customers to just do them in the large size, and then if you want smaller ones, print them 2 to a page, and that's how you get the mini ones. Okay, we've got the lovely black border all the way around, so you can see easily where to cut and where to fold, and all you do is fold these parts and just do a tiny bead of glue down each side there, and you've got your envelope, or you can leave them open. Okay, so that's that one, and then we've got the lovely embroidery. So here we've got some of the larger tags. Now these are based on the layaway tags. Now on my printout, this one is back to front. Can you see the writings backwards? I have adjusted it on the files so yours won't print out back to front. Okay, so these are the larger layaway tags. So these measure about just over 6 by just over 2.5. Okay, they're beautiful. And then we've got some of the measuring tape again, which you can cut out and use as an embellishment. Use it like washi tape. You can cut that out as a full block and make it a pocket with it or something, or you can cut them individual. You can do what you want. So here we've got some journaling cards, beautiful, with a lovely vintage edge. I don't like to do dark edges on everything, but I just felt that it looked nice on these. And then here we've got some lovely buttons to fussy cut, and you will see that due to popular demand, I am working at adding borders around anything small that needs cutting. I still need to do a bit of work on it to determine the right darkness and width away from the actual item, but we're getting there. Okay, so those will be easy to do. Here we've got some beautiful bingo cards. These do print out quite large, but they are beautiful and they will fit in any standard journal or album, or you could make a card from them. You could do what you want. They're stunning. And then we've got some of the butterflies that I've used in the kit. And here we've got some of the smaller tags, but they're still quite a good size. These are 4 3/4 by 2.5, and you've got 6 there. Okay, obviously you can print those out as many times as you like. Beautiful. Then I've done you some of my dress form clusters. So I've made this cluster up completely myself. I've digitally removed these, I've done these and coloured the dress form, and I've added a border around the larger ones. The smaller ones I need to work a bit better at doing the borders on those, but I'll get there. But they're not difficult to fussy cut those. So there you go, beautiful. So that you can, these are quite large, just like if you was making a mini album or something, and then these are smaller, you can lay them on tags or make your own embellishments. I've shown you how to put wide packaging tape over everything to faux laminate them. There's loads of possibilities. And here's another fussy cutting page, and each one does have the border for fussy cutting by hand. Now I might need to make that border darker for anybody using an electronic cutting machine. I'll have to wait for feedback on that from my customers, and maybe I'll do that slightly darker if that's necessary, but we're getting there. If you have any feedback or anything you'd like me to see me do, or anything you think that could be improved on, absolutely let me know. You can come and come over to the community page, the Facebook group page, Create with Scrimping Mummy, and you know, leave a message there, or leave a comment in the thread, and I will see it because I'm over there all the time. And so there you go. So I hope that you like that kit. I think it's really rather lovely. 23 pages, so there's lots and lots to play with there. So I will be making some projects over the next... What day are we on? I've lost track of days. You know, with it being Christmas. Don't know what day it is. I don't know where I am. Don't know what my name is. Yeah. So I need to get myself back focused and get creating. I am in the middle of decorating a folio to share with you. And one thing I will also be doing moving forward, I will be doing some larger projects. I do want to do some albums, etc. So yeah, there's going to be lots coming this year, so keep your eyes peeled. I've got lots and lots of ideas what we can do to keep ourselves busy and keep crafting. So thanks for watching. I'll leave the links to everything in the description box below. Take care, happy crafting, and I'll see you soon. Bye.